good, y'all? You back with Streets, freestyle cooking with Streets. Thanks for tuning in. Like always, I hope everybody out there staying safe and healthy. And of course, y'all know what it is. Got another great recipe video to share with y'all. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Always appreciate the love and support that you show me coming through. Thank you. And if this is your first time on my channel, please hit that subscribe, like, share, and hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my latest recipe videos. Like I always say, we get it down here, freestyle cooking, letting it go. Let's do it. Alright, so today, y'all, doing another fish recipe. Real simple, real easy and quick. Had to bring y'all in on this. Share with y'all anytime I'm in the mood for something that I didn't have in a while. I try to break out the camera and let y'all see what's going down. Alright, so up on the board, I got me some haddock, right? Got me some haddock. Real good mild fish. Definitely should try it out. Something similar to cod or halibut. And you could use those pieces of fish for this recipe also. But we're going to hook it up, alright? We're going to do a Garam Masala haddock recipe. Alright, we're going to season it up real nice. Get it popping. Alright. Also got me some potatoes that I done cut up. I'm going to do some crushed potatoes and peas and crazy corn. Alright, so I got my crazy corn and peas here, chilling. Okay. About to put my potatoes on the stove. And you just want to cook those till they're tender. No time at all. Alright, fish will take no time at all. We're about to get this popping. Preheat your oven to 350. Let's do this. Now I'm working with about 4 pieces haddock fillet. I went ahead and took the skin off. Okay, you can get these frozen too if you can't find it at your local market or your fishmonger. You can get these frozen in the frozen seafood section, or like I said, you could use cod or halibut. You feel me? Now, first thing I want to do is I want to season them with some turmeric, and I really want to get the turmeric up in the fish, you guys. And this is that kind of fish where the mild taste it really takes on the seasoning of whatever you season it with. So it's real easy, real good fish to work with. Alright, do the other side. Alright, get that all there real good. Alright, next I want to add my Garam Masala. Oh yeah. And get that in there real good too. Alright, then do the other side. Alright, as you can see, I got my pan started. That's what you want to get next. Got it hot. A couple tablespoons of avocado oil up in there. Got a tablespoon of butter. And I got this on a medium-high heat, y'all. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and get my fillets in. Skin side down. You don't want to touch it, y'all. We want to cook it for about 3 minutes on each side. Alright, I got some nice thick pieces. 3 minutes is about right. Alright. Now, when you're done searing them, as you can see, I'm done searing them. 3 minutes on each side. You want to go ahead and get it in your 350-degree oven, maybe for about another 5 minutes. Alright? Oh yeah. Also at this time, I'm going to go ahead and take my crazy corn and peas and add them to my pot of potatoes. At this point, my potatoes are almost tender, and you want to put your peas and your corn in right on the end. Now, right before I drain my potatoes and my corn and my peas, I'm going to go ahead and melt some butter. Do like a quick little garlic butter sauce for our potatoes, and then we ready to get this started, y'all. Got my fish resting. And this is the last step, y'all, before we get to the plate. And when my butter is always or halfway melted, a couple tablespoons, I'm gonna go ahead and add in my fresh garlic, because I want that to cook a little bit and infuse itself with the butter as it continues to melt. Oh yeah, it's smelling so good. The garlic and butter, I just love the smell. But my butter's just about melted. Mixed with the garlic. Oh yeah. Alright. Once you fully got it melted, and your garlic's cooked, just a little bit. Like I said, when you start to smell the garlic really strong, then you know you're good to go. Alright, here we go. We got my potatoes and corn. And basically all we're going to do is just crush it up. We're not going to mash it up real crazy. I'm going to use my potato masher, but we're not going to mash it up crazy like we're making mashed potatoes. We're just going to crush it up just a little. Alright, y'all. So I done got my plate out. And I started with adding my crushed potatoes, crazy corn and peas. I'm going to take my butter and garlic and drizzle that on top. Next, I'm going to add my fish. Oh yeah, look at that, y'all. Boom. Next, I'm going to go with some salt and pepper, but I'm going to use some black salt that I have. It's usually used like a finishing salt, like at the end of a dish. And it's just going to add that real boost to my fish and my potatoes. So, go ahead and sprinkle some of that on there. Oh yeah. Salt. So add some pepper. And I'll garnish it with some parsley. Oh yeah. And then I'm going to go ahead and drizzle it just a little bit more of my garlic butter. And there we go. There we go, y'all. Got our Garam Masala Haddock with my crushed potatoes, peas, and crazy corn, y'all. Had to bring y'all in on this recipe, man. Real easy. Oh yeah, ready to go in, man. Fish is nice and flaky. Definitely smelling good. Alright? So please subscribe, like, share, hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my latest videos, man. Comment, y'all. Holla at me, man. Get at me. Let me know if you tried it. Let me know what you think. And y'all know what I'm about to do. Holla.